Question 20. The mean of the following distribution is 50. Find the unknown frequency. Class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100. Frequencies 6, F, 8, 12 and 8. We find F. Class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, and frequency that is Fi. 6, F, 8, 12, 8. Sum of frequency equal to 8 plus 12, 20, 20 plus 8, 28, and 28 plus 6, 34. That is 34 plus F. 34 plus F. And mid value that is Xi. 0 plus 20 upon 2 is 10, 30, 50, 70 and 90. Fi, Xi. 10 into 6 that is equal to 60. F into 30 that is equal to 30 F. 50 into 8, 8 5s are 40, 400, 12 7s are 84 and 1 0, 8 9s are 72. Fi Xi equal to 30F plus 0, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12, and 7 plus 1, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 4 equal to 20, 2020. Mean equal to, mean of the following distribution is 50, which implies mean is summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi, that is equal to 50. Fi Xi that is equal to 2020 plus 30F upon frequency is 34 plus F equal to 50. Cross multiplying 2020 plus 30F equal to 50 into 34 plus F. 2020 plus 30F equal to 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 70 plus 50F. 2020 shifting left side minus 1700 equal to 50F minus 30F, that is equal to 20F. And 2020 minus 1700 equal to 0, 2, 3, 320. So F equal to 320 upon 20. 0, 0 is cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 16 2s are 32. So F is equal to 16. Unknown frequency, that is F equal to 16. Answer. Given class interval is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100. Frequency 6, F, 8, 12, 8. And sum of frequencies 12 plus 8, 20 plus 8, 28 plus 6, 34 plus F. Its sum of frequency 24 plus F. And mid value is 0 plus 20 upon 2 is 10, 20 plus 40, that is 60 upon 2 is 30, and 40 plus 60 equal to 100 divided by 2 is 50, 60 plus 80 is equal to 140 divided by 2 is 70, and 100 plus 80 is 180 divided by 2 is 90. 6 multiplied by 10, that is Fi Xi. 60, 30 into F is 30F, 50 into 8 is 400, and 12 into 70 is 840, 90 into 8, that is equal to 720, and their sum equal to 0, 6 plus 4 10 plus 2 12, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16 plus 4 20, that is 2020, 2020 plus 30F. It's Fi Xi. Given mean equal to 50, mean of the following distribution is 50, so mean equal to summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi, that is equal to 50. Fi Xi is 2020 plus 30F. 2020 plus 30F upon sum of frequencies 34 plus F equal to 50. 50 multiplied by 34 plus F, that is 2020 plus 30F, and 30F is shifting right side. 50F minus 30F, that is equal to 20F, and 1700 shifting left side. So 2020 minus 1700, then we get 0, 2, 10 minus 7, 3, 320. 1 minus 1, 0. That is 320. 20F equal to 320. F is equal to 320 divided by 20. 0, 0 is cancelled. And 32 divided by 2. That is 16 2s are 32. So unknown frequency F is equal to 16. Answer. Thank you.